Now this area is where my California bell peppers are. Oh, these are very stunted. I did start these after the posted, like our end of frosting, but we ended up getting really cold days and it stunted their growth very badly. They are starting to pick themselves up now because I've been fertilizing with some fish emulsion, 511 or 511, whatever you want to call it, the Alaskan fish emulsion. So yeah, this is a bell pepper, California bell pepper as well. And I'm just going to, since this one is bigger than that one, I was going to do it right here, but actually I think I changed my mind and I'm going to do it over here, so that way it doesn't shade out the one's trying to grow. This is where my hot peppers are, my Thai big hot peppers. And now that I'm looking, they're actually doing good. I was gonna replace these two, but they're actually bouncing back. So I don't think I'm gonna have to replace these ones. Huh. I think they're bouncing back, guys. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do it. Now I'm gonna be going in and just planting Brussels sprouts in spots of where I had radishes growing that I already picked out, or where a plant didn't survive and I'm not worried about it, or a vegetable didn't survive and I'm not worried about it. So I'm gonna go through, pick out my best looking ones. I'm hoping I could get at least 4 in this garden. If not, I do have 5-gallon buckets. I can use those as well if need be. So let's get these Brussels sprouts going. I hope they're not too root bound. I'm actually gonna get my knee pad. The type of Brussels is a cat's kill. Pretty sure that's how you say it. So I'm gonna put one of the zinnia mixed flowers right here. These are probably too close or whatever measurement wise, but I'm not worried about it because I'm gonna have a flower here and I'll have a space there and a space there to get around the plant to trim off the leaves and stuff like that so the Brussels sprouts can grow. I can't wait to see what this looks like. This one has more of like a purple. I'm kind of started out purple. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so this is, what is this? I have a tag somewhere. Well, there's carrots here, marigold. Pretty sure this is cabbage, but I could be wrong. Where's the tag? Oh, right here, yep, cabbage. I only got 2. I had 5 last year that just did great, but I'm hoping later on towards fall, I can plant some more cabbage. So I'm not gonna stress myself out about it right now. So this is cabbage. This is it could be a golden zucchini, a green zucchini, or maybe, hypothetically, I don't know, butternut squash. I don't know. And then these are my California bell peppers. And then I'm gonna put the zinnia over here. So this is, again, either golden zucchini, green zucchini, or butternut squash. But I know for sure, actually I know for sure, where is it? That one down there is a green zucchini. The other one, I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna put the zinnia right here. I can't wait to see what these look like. And then I'm going to put a Brussels sprout right there. And that's it. Now we're back at this end of the garden. This is where my Roma tomatoes are. I do have some beets growing right here, but they're not as luscious as the other rows of beets that I have. So I'm actually just gonna rip these up. I'm not worried about it. These are the ones that I wanna save. My more established beet rows right there. Like I said earlier, I do have to thin them out, but I'm not worried about that right now. I'm gonna go in and put a few snapdragons. So this is where I'm putting that sunrise or sun something sunflower, because I have one all the way down at that end. I can't fit one all the way in that corner because I have tomatoes. I can't fit a sunrise in all the way in that corner like I do in that corner. So this is the closest I'm gonna get to over here. I have tomato plants in the way and green bean plants in the way, and then this is, I'm pretty sure this is broccoli. No, it's not. Cauliflower. So I'm going to plant it right in the back here. All right, you guys, we are underneath my pergola right here, and this section did not grow because of my dog. She, for some reason, was eating and licking it. I'm freaked out though. I didn't want her to die. So So I'm going to put the rest of these snapdragons in here. There's only 4. I also have tall snapdragons growing behind you guys. Again, I don't know what colors or anything like that. They just came in a packet. So once those get more established, I will be planting those around the garden as well, especially that one over there, and then like any bare spots over there where a plant might have died, or a veggie might have, like a veggie plant might have died or something, or just, I don't know, somewhere. I love flowers, so I will literally stick them anywhere. Okay, so I have these bachelor button blue boys, and I'm gonna actually add them like right here.